In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect PayPal to Shopify store. This process lets customers check out using PayPal, which can make payment faster and more convenient. To get started, you will need access to your Shopify admin dashboard because you will be enabling PayPal from the payment settings. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are signed in, take a moment to confirm you are on the main admin home screen. You should see the left-hand navigation and various settings options. This matters because the next step depends on where the settings menu is located in your dashboard layout. Next, click Settings using the gear icon in the bottom left corner. The gear icon is your gateway to store-level configurations. When you select it, the settings area should open, and you will be able to choose different categories such as General Settings, Notifications, and Payments. Take a moment to look for the Payments-related option after this opens so you can stay focused and avoid clicking the wrong area. After that, click Payments. This section is where Shopify connects your online store to payment providers. You will typically see several payment methods listed, including options that are available to your store. If PayPal is not currently active, it will be shown as an option you can turn on. This is the key step because everything that follows is about activating PayPal and connecting it to your account. Now, in the PayPal section, click Activate PayPal Express Checkout. This is the option that enables PayPal Express Checkout for customers. When you click it, Shopify will guide you through a connection flow. You may notice the page updates or a new login prompt appears. This step matters because it tells Shopify you want to use PayPal for checkout rather than just viewing PayPal as an available option. Then you will enter your PayPal business email address and click Next. On screen, there should be a field specifically meant for the PayPal email. Enter the email associated with your PayPal business account and then proceed by clicking Next. This step is important because it identifies which PayPal account Shopify should connect to your store. After you click Next, you will be taken to a PayPal login screen. Enter your PayPal password on that login screen. Make sure you type it carefully and only into the password field shown on the official PayPal login page. Once the password is entered, you can move to the final step of authorizing the connection. Finally, click Agree and Connect. This tells PayPal and Shopify to establish the connection between your store and your PayPal business account. After you do this, Shopify should confirm that PayPal Express Checkout is connected. The status may update on the Payments page and you may see indicators showing that PayPal is active and ready for customers. At this point, you have successfully connected PayPal to your Shopify store. If you want to be extra confident, you can quickly review the Payments page to confirm PayPal Express Checkout appears as enabled. That covers everything you need to know.